Today's topic is sorcery.
Under my watch, agents are trained to infiltrate any setting.
Pastor Zachariah Johnson.
Mayor Edwards.
I need more agents. Calls are flooding in. Our caseloads are mounting.
I think I was drugged. Someone had to have put something in my drink.
Miss Edwards, your case seems a little bit political.
You bitch! You drugged me and you stood there and just freaking watched! I hate you! But my father said that you would help us.
It's like a mirage. I don't know if I'm delusional or not.
He doesn't care about you. He doesn't care about anybody. Anybody.
That's me, St. Luke, head of T9.
I need you to find out who's hating.